Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to claim miles on Emirates. To claim miles on Emirates, these are the steps that you need to follow. First, visit the Emirates homepage from the website using any browser of your choice. Now, open up in the browser of your choice and click on or type in emirates.com in the search bar. And once you do that, that's going to take you to the official website for Emirates. So follow through the on-screen prompts to either create a new account or to log in using an existing account. Once logged in, the next thing you need to do is to head over to the Skyward section. Now, this is usually found under the or within the manage my account area. And how do you get that? So from here, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile name, and that takes you here. Welcome to Emirates Skyward. Thank you. And you have these boxes, my overview and logouts. Now click on my overview, and that's going to take you into the next page. Now from this page, what I'm very much concerned about is the top corner of the screen where you have Emirates Skywards and business rewards. Hover your cursor over Emirates Skyward, and under About Emirates Skyward, you have a couple of options, including membership tiers, My Family, digital membership card, Fly Dubai, cash plus miles, spend miles, claim miles, buy miles, earn miles. And then you have the Skyward Sky Surfers, our partners, Miles Calculator, Skywards Miles More, and Skywards Exclusive, Skywards Plus. So head over to Claim Miles, which is the core of this tutorial. And that's going to take you to this window where you can now claim your missing miles. So now as an Emirates Skywards member, you can claim miles within 6 months of flying on a qualifying Emirates flight. As long as the information you provide matches a record exactly, your miles will be instantly credited to your account. So for you to complete this process, the next thing you like to do is to enter your ticket number, your booking reference number, and the passenger name. And then you can now claim miles. So you claim your miles from there after providing all of these information to claim your miles. So your flight number and your booking reference and your passenger name. And once you've followed, just click on that and follow any specific instructions for submitting your claim. Now, depending on the claim type, you might need to upload documents such as a boarding pass or your ticket receipt to help support the claim. And make sure the documents are clear and legible. After filling in the necessary details and uploading any required documents if necessary, just go ahead and click on submit and then send the claim for processing. Then you should receive a confirmation that your claim has been submitted. Emirates will review your claim and credit the missing miles if applicable. Check the status of your claim via the Skyward account or in the Manage My Account section. You can also claim miles for purchases made with Emirates partners such as hotels, car rentals, or shopping by following the instructions provided by the specific partner and entering your Skyward's membership number. Always ensure that your Skyward's membership number is correctly provided when booking flights or making purchases, as this will facilitate easier and more accurate crediting of your miles. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you begin to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped your search.